When we look up at the night sky, it is hard not to be awed by the countless stars scattered across the expanse of space. These stars are the distant suns of other solar systems, some of which may host their own planets, perhaps even life. Yet, despite the vastness of the universe, it turns out that the number of trees on Earth outnumbers the stars in our solar system, a fact that may seem counterintuitive at first. The comparison offers a remarkable perspective on the abundance of life on our planet, showing just how much green coverage exists on Earth. The total number of trees on Earth is estimated to be over 3 trillion, a staggering figure that underscores the scale of our planet's forests. By comparison, the number of stars in our solar system is much smaller, just one, the Sun. This is a simple fact, but it reveals an important nuance in the understanding of how life flourishes on Earth, and how incredibly rich and diverse our biosphere is. The Sun is the center of the solar system, and although it is the most important star for sustaining life on Earth, it is the trees that play a vital role in the planet's ecosystems. These trees, from towering oaks in forests to the smallest shrubs in the tundra, collectively support an immense amount of life through their biological processes and interactions with the environment. The 3 trillion trees on Earth exist in many forms. Spread across a variety of ecosystems, including temperate forests, tropical rainforests, boreal forests, and even the arid deserts where certain species of trees have adapted to harsh conditions. These trees are part of a global system of forests that help regulate the Earth's climate, absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, produce oxygen through photosynthesis, and provide habitats for millions of species of plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms. The existence of trees is essential not only for maintaining the stability of ecosystems but also for sustaining life on Earth as we know it. In fact, forests have been described as the lungs of the planet. They play a critical role in the Earth's carbon cycle by absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and storing it in their biomass. This process of carbon sequestration is vital in the fight against climate change, as it helps mitigate the greenhouse effect and limit global warming. As trees photosynthesize, they release oxygen, which is essential for nearly all aerobic life on Earth, including humans. Without trees, the atmosphere would have far less oxygen, and life on Earth would not be sustainable. While the sheer number of trees on Earth is mind-boggling, it is important to recognize that they do not exist in isolation. Forests are complex ecosystems, with each tree playing a role in a vast web of interactions. The roots of trees help maintain soil structure, preventing erosion and ensuring that nutrients are available for other plants. Tree canopies provide shelter for countless species of birds, insects, and mammals. Fallen leaves and decaying wood form the foundation for microorganisms, which break down organic matter and recycle nutrients. Trees, therefore, do much more than simply produce oxygen. They are an integral part of the systems that support all life on Earth. In comparison, the number of stars in our solar system is limited to the Sun. While stars exist in vast numbers across the universe, there is only one star that provides the energy necessary for life on Earth. The Sun is a G-type main sequence star, and its light and heat sustain life by enabling photosynthesis in plants, which ultimately supports the entire food chain. The Sun's gravity also holds the planets in orbit, ensuring the stability of the solar system. Yet, despite its central importance, the Sun is just one star, and Earth's abundance of trees far outnumbers it. The idea that there are more trees on Earth than stars in the solar system highlights the richness and complexity of life on our planet. Earth is a biosphere brimming with diversity, and the presence of so many trees serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living organisms. Every tree, from the smallest sapling to the tallest redwood, plays an essential role in maintaining ecological balance, and its presence is critical for human survival. In contrast, the stars of the solar system, while awe-inspiring, are distant objects in the sky that serve as celestial markers but have no direct interaction with life on Earth. This comparison between trees and stars also brings into focus the need for conservation. With human activity increasingly encroaching upon natural habitats, deforestation has become one of the most pressing environmental challenges of the modern era. The loss of forests around the world threatens not only biodiversity but also the planet's climate stability. Deforestation contributes to the release of stored carbon dioxide, which exacerbates global warming and disrupts the delicate balance of the carbon cycle. It also reduces the capacity of forests to provide oxygen and other ecosystem services, such as water purification and soil fertility. Protecting forests, replanting trees, and restoring degraded ecosystems are essential actions for ensuring the continued abundance of trees on Earth and the preservation of life. In addition to their ecological role, trees also hold cultural, spiritual, and economic value. Forests have been revered in many cultures as sacred places, symbols of life, and sources of inspiration. From ancient groves to urban parks, trees are an integral part of human life and have been for millennia. They provide timber for construction, fuel for heating, food such as fruit and nuts, and medicinal plants used in traditional healing practices. In modern times, urban tree planting has become an important strategy for improving air quality and creating more sustainable cities. Trees also play a critical role in agriculture, as shelter belts and agroforestry systems enhance crop production and biodiversity. The comparison between the number of trees and the stars of the solar system serves as a reminder of the incredible abundance of life on Earth. While we may gaze up at the stars and marvel at their distant beauty, we must also recognize the profound importance of the trees that surround us. Their presence sustains life, regulates the climate, and nurtures ecosystems, making them one of Earth's most valuable resources. As we face the challenges of climate change and environmental degradation, it is more important than ever to protect the forests that provide us with clean air, food, water, and shelter. In the end, the trees outnumber the stars, not just in quantity, but in their role as the life-sustaining force that shapes the world we live in.